Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to invite team members in Basecamp step by step. Inviting your teammates allows everyone to collaborate in the same workspace, assign tasks, share files, and communicate more efficiently. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Basecamp account and open the project where you want to add new team members. Once you're inside the project, look for the People, Invite People, or Add People option, depending on your Basecamp version. Next, click the Invitation button and enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Yeah, you can usually add multiple email addresses at the same time if you're inviting several teammates. After entering the email addresses, choose the appropriate access or permissions if Basecamp provides those options. I mean, you can decide whether someone should have access to the entire project or only specific areas, depending on your team's workflow. Now, click Send Invitation or Invite. Basecamp will email each person an invitation to join the project. Once they accept the invitation and sign in to their Basecamp account, they'll automatically appear in the project's member list. After your teammates join, you can assign them to to-do items, mention them in messages, share documents, and collaborate using the project's built-in communication tools. This keeps everyone informed and working together in one organized place. And that's it. You now know how to invite team members in Basecamp and start collaborating on your projects more effectively. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey everyone.